Hey friends, welcome to the part 11 of this playlist. This is a certification on data fundamentals on Azure. So this is an Azure certification. So this is important for data engineers. If you are from a database background, you will find this certification pretty easy. So this one is the YouTube handle of this channel. You can search YouTube using this handle, Cloud Guru Ninja. Please subscribe. So this one is a Cosmos DB question, and you need to say which feature provides redundancy within a region. So what is a region? It is a set of data centers and all are connected using low latency network. Redundancy means duplication. That means if you have an application in one data center, you also keep it in another data center. So you do that using availability zones. These are physical locations within a region. Suppose there is a region in Singapore. So there can be multiple data centers, multiple AZs, physical locations. So one zone can have one or more data centers, and these have their independent power, cooling, and networking. So this would be my answer because it will provide duplication. I can host my data, or I can have a storage in blob storage in one data center as well as the other data center, other AZs. Now, multi-master replication, option A. So if you want to provide rights in multiple regions at the same time, just like Uber, the moment you book a cab in India, it will also replicate your data in USA, in UK. The database is global, Cosmos DB, but that will not help you with redundancy for everything. It is just multi-master. Only the master data is replicated. See, strong consistency level is the moment you write and someone reads the data, they can see that. That is strong. Weak means you write it now, the other person can see it after 2 minutes or 5 minutes. And automatic failover is like if an application is running on some set of hardware, it fails, it will automatically move to an instance where the hardware is working. That will only happen if you have different availability zones. So availability zone is the first thing that you have to have. You have Cosmos DB table API and you have Azure table storage. So what is the benefit of table API? So these are the advantages. It can you can compare these two. So this is your Cosmos DB API for table, and this is your Azure table storage. So this will give you anytime, it will give you very high performance. This is like database on steroids. So you will get very fast performance, which applications like Uber want it. Real time, they want high performance. It is highly scalable. Okay, it is a global distribution. That means uh, global distribution from one to any number of regions. Automatic and complete indexing of the data. Okay, queries can take advantage of automatic indexing, so it will be faster. So this is if I see option A, resiliency, this is happening both the places. So this is wrong. And B, partitioning, both of them allow. This is wrong. And C says provides higher storage capacity. See, table storage also has good amount of storage capacity. We cannot say which one is better. This is the multi-master model, global. So your global distribution will support multi-master model. Your Azure table will have single region with one optional variable, secondary read region for high availability. Here it is all from 1 to number of regions. It is all global, and multiple write regions are also there. So this would be my final answer. Now if you see the next question here, this question, see, it is asking, see, you have to understand, if you make changes to network traffic in one area, how will other areas get impacted? So this means you want to know correlation thing, like in Amazon.com, it gives you recommendation. It has a recommender database. If you buy one product, it says people who bought this product also bought these other products. So that is a recommendation engine that is built on graph databases. Okay, you remember always graph databases. It is born to store data in a correlated manner. Key value is wrong because it will store it probably in a document format or JSON format. Document format is also wrong. It will not help you to store correlation. Columnar is like just like a parquet file. It will help you compress the data, use in-memory processing, and it will be faster reading the data. But it will not store correlated data. We never use columnar for building recommendation engine. Like if you have something like Synapse Analytics is a columnar database. We do not use that cannot store correlation. See, Cosmos DB has API support for Gremlin. So Gremlin is something which is going to give you graph style database storage, correlated data storage. So this would be my final answer. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. A lot of people have cleared their certifications. You can see a link in the description. You can join and become a Cloud Kernel member. It will give you access to a lot of questions.